Hello, today I'm going to be doing a problem I saw in HackerRank, reverse array, create a function that reverses an array. I'm starting this channel um, to review coding. Basically become dependent on ChatGPT ever since I started using it, and I haven't had as much critical thinking skills when it comes to approaching coding problems for coding interviews. So that's the main purpose of this channel, just for me to get better and other people can see my learning process. So anyways, the goal of this function is to just take in an array and reverse it. So I will define an array. Okay, so we have our array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm just gonna remember how len works, how to iterate through every single item in the array. So I'm iterating through index 0 and the length of the array. Let's see if that works. Okay, so this is how I iterate through each object in the array or list. So now let me try to implement some logic to reverse it. So, right, so every time we want to replace, um, we want to replace, so let's put array 1 of I equals array 1 of len of array 1 minus I. So at 5 it will be minus, oh, sorry, hold on, let me comment this and print I. To remember how index works, I'm just commenting out so I can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so start at 0, end at 4. So 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 3, no. So we want to do 4 minus I plus 1, right? So we'll subtract. So when we're trying to change 4, the last position to the first position, we want to get, um, hold on, I'm getting confused. If we want to change the last position's value to the first position's value, so if I have array, okay, I want to change the first position's value to the last position's value. Array of 0 equals array of 4, hold on, print len of array 1. It's 5. So print len of array 1, 5 minus 0 plus 1 is 4. Okay. For position 1, it'll be a 5 minus 1 plus 1, which is 3. That's correct. Okay, so we don't need this anymore, and we don't need these anymore. Let's see what happens when I run this. Print array1 of I. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. So this was a trick that I wasn't able to solve during my HackerRank, and I had to resort to ChatGPT. So let's see, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. So after we print array of I, print array1. So we can see what's happening at each step. So first, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns into 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then next step, it turns to 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. That's correct. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Then it's 5, 4, 3, 4, 5 again. So this is 5, this is 4, this is 3, and then 2 and 1 do not work. So it looks like the middle step, our logic is not working. And what is the reason why? What is the reason? Because the old values are being replaced. So we see 5 is being replaced, 4 is replacing here, so it's just replacing the previously changed the change values. It is doing the change, but it is picking up the change values. So the first thing I tried to do was create a copy. So um, array. So let's say like take array2. If we make a thing called array2, which is just a copy of array1, and then we say array1 of I equals array2 of I, array2. What if we just take a copy? Would that work? Print array1 of I, print array1. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4. Why wouldn't that work? If I'm taking a copy, it should work, right? Because I'm picking up the last. I'm confused now. So array1 of I, print array1 of I, and now print array2 of I. Print array2 and then print array1. So what's going on? So 5, why is it, why is it, why is array2 being changed? 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't understand why array2 is being changed. Is it changing the copy too? But the copying is not in the loop. So hold on. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, and then it doesn't do. After the third step, why is it not? Why can we not get it right? So let me think. I'm learning as I'm doing this, so I don't have the answer right away. So I'm just trying to solve it with you so you guys can see me learning it as I go. So array2, I'm doing the copy. Array1. So I don't think this copy logic is gonna work. So let me try something else. So I'm picking. Let me try just doing it on its own. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 1. Okay, hold on. Let me remove these and I can see if it actually worked. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. Let me remove array 2. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 4, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So copy logic does work, but I can't copy array 1. Why can't I just put it as array 1 variable? Maybe somewhere it's accessing it in the steps. So basically, a copy logic does work. I can um, assign whatever the value is of array 1 to array 2 and then use this standard logic instead of doing something. I saw something from ChatGPT when I did it, but it used logic I didn't understand myself. So here I'll explain this logic. So we're looping through the array, each index of the array. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because we have 5 components, I mean 5 values in this array. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what this guy is saying is change change the first one or any of them to the length, the so the last position basically, len, last position. Actually, len is 5, so len is 5, so minus array, minus I will be 0 for the first position, so we need to do plus 1, because the true position for the last one is 4, not 5, so it'll be 5 minus 0 plus 1 gets us, uh, 0 plus 1 in parentheses will get us 4. So this will be array 2 of 4. We're replacing the fourth position, fourth index, last position, with the first position. Now let me see if this works in the function. So I have to write it in function form. So take this, put it here. So we're taking an R, um, R of I, and then we need something for, now I need to do something for array, use array 2. So I need some way to, first I need, how do I set array R2 equal to R for I in R, for I in range, for I in range z, for I in range 0, len of R minus 1, len of R minus 1, for I in range 0, len of R minus 1, R2 equals R, R2 of I equals R of I. So I think that'll be so this is just so I can copy the input array into array 2. And then here I'll take the array 2 variable. And hopefully this copy logic works. And now I'll test the function. Let's do r equals, let's do something more, I don't know, difficult, different case. 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 11. So we should expect 11, 2, 1, 3, 56, 4, 9, 8, 7. Uh, that's fine, yeah. Okay, so we call reverse print reverse array and r, and let's hope it works. No, name r2 is not defined. um r2 equals this. List assignment index out of range. um so let's see why. I'm guessing it's in this step. Seven, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 11. So we don't have to do the -1. I'm gonna, how do I delete this cell? Delete. Did I run this? How come? Escape A. Print R of I. And 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 56, 3, 1, 2, 11. So it prints everything. So now why is our reverse array function not working? Can I just copy array 1 into array 2? Array 1. 11, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2. Oh, no, this has that middle problem again. Where the previous, remember here when we weren't able to get the middle? So we have to find another way to copy it. We can't just, what's another way we can copy it? For I in range 0 to len of array, print array. Oh, we can do append instead. Hold on. Maybe that's why. Um, Instead of doing this, for I in range 0, len of array. So we copy the array in the beginning by using append. R2 dot append r of I. So here's our copy step where we copy the first array. R2, we set this as empty, and here's where I'm copying array 1 to array 2 so we can do our simple logic here. So let's see if this works. 11, 2, 1, 3, 56, 4, 9, 8, 7. Okay, so this is how I do it. This is definitely not the best approach. Um, but yeah, so I was able to solve this problem without using external resources for this one. I'll try to tackle a different problem tomorrow, maybe a little more challenging. Thank you for tuning in and hope to see you next time.